My camera is wrong.
Sir, almost all students' cameras are on.
Yes, I am. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Today my topic is sample
Excuse
space.
me, sir. Sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
only three students.
Yes, sample space. My topic is sample space. Yes. First, I am discussing about points. I am discussing about points. Yes, I am discussing about points. When one point is tossed, when one point is tossed, then possible number of outcome will be possible number of outcome will be yes. When one point is told, then possible number of outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. That is die case.
Only two.
Yes, only two. Head and tail. Head and tail. Only two case, that is head and tail.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Only two points, that is head and tail. Okay. Yes, Galika. Any doubt? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
How many face of a point? Two face. That is head and tail. Yes. Okay. Now, when two points are tossed simultaneously, when two points are tossed simultaneously. Muted? Wait. Okay. Yes. When two points are tossed simultaneously. When two points are tossed simultaneously, then possible number of outcome will be possible number of outcome will be yes. One point is to Kushi Kumari and second point to Garbika Vats. Okay. When Kushi Kumari throw the coin, hand will come. Garbika Vats toss the coin, hand will come. First case will be head and head. Am I right or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
In second case, Kushi Kumari throw the coin, head will come. and when Garbika was throw the coin, tail will come, head and tail. Okay. Next in head and tail and head, and in next will be tail and tail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. This is the coin of Khushi Kumari, head and tail. And this is the coin of head and tail Garbika was. Okay. ये किसका कॉइन है? खुशी कुमारी का। ये कॉइन किसका है? गर्भिका वर्ष। ओके। खुशी कुमारी throw the coin, head will come. गर्भिका वर्ष throw the coin, that is head will come. गर्भिका वर्ष throw the coin, head will come. खुशी कुमारी throw the coin, head will come. And H and D, that is T and H, and T and D. Any doubt? Any problems? How many outcomes? How many outcomes? How many outcomes? That is 4 outcomes. 4 outcomes. 4 outcomes. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
No problems?
Sir, can you scroll up?
Yes. Note down it. Note down it.
No, sir, my first point is not completed.
First point, please note down it. Okay.
So there will be 9 outcomes.
Now, yes, listen to me. How many face of a coin? 2. If we,
Yes.
if I will throw the coin one time, that is 2 raised to power 1, only 2 outcomes will be there. As you know that there are 2 faces of a coin. When I will throw the coin 2 times, that is 2 raised to power 2, it becomes 4. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Okay. When I will throw the coin 3 times, it becomes 2 raised to power 3 and 2 into 2 into 2. 6 नहीं 2 2 into 2 into 2 9 कैसे?
9.
How is it possible? 8. 8. Yes, it becomes 8. Now when you will throw the coin 4 times, it becomes 2 raised to power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It becomes 16. Okay. Note down it. Do it fast. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thus, now when I will throw the coin 3 times, then number of possible outcome will be
Sir, 8.
when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the meaning of simultaneously?
Together.
एक ही समय में then possible outcome will be possible outcome will be then possible outcome will be when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, then possible outcome will be when we will throw the 2 coins, then outcome are जब हमने 2 कॉइन को टॉस किया तब आउटकम क्या थे? HH HH HT PH NTE Yes. When one point, that is S and T. S and T.
Yes.
Yes. Now H and H. Here is H. I will attach the H before it, before all of this. जब ये H H H T T S T T है, इसके आगे क्या लगाएंगे? S लगाएंगे. ठीक है? I will attach S before H H S T T S and T T. It becomes H H H. Okay. Now next it will become H H T. H H T. Next is your S T H. Next it becomes S T D. And next it will becomes E S H. Next T S T. P T H. And P T D. Tails से. समझ में आया? समझ में आया आपको ये?
समझ में आया सर ये.
सबको समझ में आया? क्या क्या मैंने?
Yes.
सभी को समझ में आया?
Yes sir. Yes.
Any doubt? Any problems?
No sir.
Yes. जब जहाँ पे दो केस थे, टू आउटकम के केस क्या होते हैं? H S S T T S and T T. First of all, I will attach H before all the outcomes of two. That is H H H H H T S T S S T T. Now I will attach T before it. T S S T S T T T S and T T T. That is your 8 outcome. That is your 8 outcomes. That is your 8 outcomes. Okay. Any doubt? Any problems?
No sir.
Please note down it. Note down it. My coins case. When I will throw the coin one time, two times, and three times, my all the outcome case has been finished. Now I am starting the dice case. Okay.
इसका फॉर्मूला कोई है या फिर मैं से काउंट करके निकालूं?
नहीं. फार्मूला आपका 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4 है. लेकिन अगर वो आउटकम की बात करेगा कि H H ये आउटकम कितने हैं और आउटकम कौन कौन से, तो यू हैव टू शो द सैंपल स्पेस सच एज. आपको ऐसे सैंपल स्पेस निकालनी पड़ेगी. It will be your goal that if you study in 8th class and it will repeat in 9th class as well as 10th class also. ये 9th class में भी आएगा, 10th class में भी आएगा, 11th में भी है, 12th में भी. अगर यहाँ पे किसी को कोई डाउट कोई प्रॉब्लम?
No sir.
If you have any doubt, any problem,
No, sir.
you can ask me.
No sir.
Okay.
No. Sir.
Now
Second, please tell that formula one again.
yes, formula is this that one second. Formula is that if you will throw the coin one time, it will become 2 raised to power 1. That is 2 outcome. Okay, that is H and T. If you will throw the coin 2 times, 2 raised to power 2, 2 into 2, it will become 2 to the 4. Okay, 4 outcomes. And when you will throw the coin 3 times, that is 2 raised to power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, and when you will throw the in up to 10th class, there are only three cases. Up to you have to throw the coins up to 3 times. Okay, but in 12th class, it will increase. It will 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 8 times, okay, up to 10 last, and you have to throw the coin first only 1 time, 2 time and 3 times, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. आपको मैथ समझ में आता है कि नहीं आता है?
आता है, sir.
इंटरेस्ट, मैथ में इंटरेस्ट आता है कि नहीं आता है? है भाई? अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप क्या है, यस में सी, अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चन में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप मेरे से क्लास में पूछ सकते हैं। क्लास में अगर आपको हेजिटेशन होती है तो आप मेरे को क्या कॉल भी कर सकते हो, कॉल नहीं कर सकते तो व्हाट्सएप मैसेज डाल सकते हो कि सर हमें यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, ओके?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
जब आप मेरे से कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो मैं उसका रेस्पॉन्स करता हूँ नहीं करता हूँ? है भाई?
करते हैं, sir.
करते हैं ना? हाँ, ओके, यस। नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक डाइस। डाइस, yes, have
So
you,
that's the same formula, right?
yes, have you played Ludo, ladder games? So in a Ludo you have to use a dice,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay.
and as you know that there are 6 stages, that is one, कभी 1 आएगा, कभी 2 आएगा, कभी 3 आता है, कभी 4 आता है, कभी 5, कभी 6, ऐसे आता है नहीं आता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
6 possibilities.
6 possible, there are 6 ways, yes, yes, Ravikant, very good. If you throw the, yes, if you throw the dice 1 time, that is how many faces of a dice? 6 faces. If you will throw, yes, if you will throw the dice 1 time, that is 6 raised to power 1, it becomes 6. And if you will throw the dice 2 times, 1 dice is to Ravikant and second dice to खुशी कुमारी, ओके? यहाँ पे एक डाइस किसके पास है? रविकांत के पास है। एक डाइस किसके पास है? खुशी कुमारी के पास, ठीक है? यहाँ पे अगर 2 डाइस होगा तो 6 raised to power 2, it becomes 6 into 6, that will be 36 outcome, okay? Now I am discussing here what will be the 6 case and what will be the 36 outcomes. 36 केस यहाँ पे क्या होंगे और 6 केस यहाँ पे क्या होंगे, ओके? स्टूडेंट you have to practice of these outcomes again and again, okay? Yes, when one die is thrown, then possible outcome will be, please tell me,
6.
Sir, 6.
what will be,
Six.
what will be?
The 6 outcomes.
6 outcome,
Sir, 6 outcomes.
which are कौन कौन से होंगे? 1 2 3 4 5,
6.
that is 6 outcome. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Your next topic is, yes, second, when 2 dice, just do it fast,
So 6 raised to the power 2.
36 outcome. Yes, when 2 coins, now when 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, then all possible outcome will be, all possible outcome will be. Who will tell me?
Sir, we will repeat 26 students. Sir, 36.
36. Please tell me the outcome. How many?
Sir, 36 are.
36.
36.
What will be the outcome? Outcome क्या होंगे? 36 तो होंगे, लेकिन outcome क्या होंगे? 1,
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I will written here, and I will written here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and next is your 5 and 6. Yes. One second. Now I am throwing this die. One come. I am throwing this die. One is also come. 1, 2. Next is your 1, 2. Next is your 1, 3. Next is your 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. 6 outcome is there. After that, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Yes? Any doubt, any problems?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes. Next is your 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Yes. Next is your 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then next is your 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Your next will be your 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. How many outcomes? It becomes 36 हो गए. Check करो. Please check it. Yes, please check it. There are 36 outcome or not?
Yes, sir.
That is 36 outcome.
outcome है.
कैसा लगा आपको ये?
Sir, very interesting.
Interesting?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 36 outcome.
Yes, sir.
Yes. अभी हम क्या है आउटकम बना रहे हैं. इसके बाद हम इन्हीं सैंपल स्पेस पे इन्हीं आउटकम पे क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे. ओके. Now please tell me what is doublet? Yes. What is doublet?
टीम को बहुत स्लो जा रही है.
What is doublet? Doublet. What is doublet? Doublet means there is 1 1, doublet 2 2, doublet 3 3, doublet 4 4, doublet 5 5, doublet and 6 6, doublet. Okay. Say 1 1. Say 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6 are doublet. Are doublet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is
Okay, sir.
yes. Now so my next topic is playing cards.
Yes, please, sir.
Playing cards.
Yes, sir.
Have you playing cards?
Yes, sir.
Any games by playing cards on computer, on mobile phone? Have you played? Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. I played.
Okay. Yes. Who has played? Any student in the class who has played the game playing cards? Yes. Sumit Singh. Have you played the game of playing cards?
Yes, sir.
How many playing cards in a deck? Deck में होता है एक गड्डी होती है इसमें कुछ playing cards होते हैं. Yes, very good, Ravikant. Yes. How many suits? How many
So
suits?
4 suits.
4 suits. 4 suits are there. In red there are diamonds and hearts.
Heart.
Diamonds and hearts. And in black color there are spades and clubs. Spades and clubs. Okay? Yes. Okay, okay. Okay. Listen, students. I try to understand you on the whiteboard. After understanding it, please to try to watch the video. Try to watch the video of playing cards on your YouTubes. You will better understand it. Okay? Yes. Playing cards. Playing cards. There are 52 playing cards. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And they are divided into 4 suits. 4 suits.
Each suit will have 30.
Yes, Ravikant. Very good. That is 13 cards. That is 13 cards. And that is also 13 cards. Yes. 13 cards. 13 and 13. 13 4 ja
50.
52. Okay. Yes. Your first suit is diamonds. First suit is your diamonds. Second is your hearts.
Cards.
And next is your spades.
Spades. And
Spades.
And
And
clubs.
next is your clubs. Okay. Diamond is red color. Okay. Yes. The hearts is also red color. Spades is black color. And your clubs is also black color. Okay. That is black color.
yes, sir.
Diamond shape will be such as. If you will see, it will have diamond shape. Heart shape will be such as. Okay. And spade shape will be hukam. That is such as. One second.
Sir, is it like a leaf?
No. Not coming proper shape. One second. I am trying to continue. इस शेप में मिलेगा. ये प्रॉपर शेप नहीं है लेकिन इसी शेप में होता है. इसी शेप. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Club will be shaped such as. इस शेप में होता है clubs. आप देखेंगे ठीक है ना. You will search on Google. You will find such as. Okay. Now 13 cards will be as. First is your S. Second will be your 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is your 8,
9, 10.
9, 10, Jack, Queen and King. Jack, Queen and King. same as it is in hearts. S 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Jack, Queen and King. Next, same as it is in spades. That is your S 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 9 10 Jack, Queen and King. Same in clubs. That is Ace 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Jack, Queen and King. Yes? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
How many playing cards? 13 4s are 52. Your red card will be how many red cards?
Sir, 30.
That is 13 plus 30, 26 red cards.
Sir, 26, sir.
Red cards will be 26. And your black card will be 13 plus 30. That is 26. 26 black cards. Okay. Jack,
Yes,
Queen, King are face card. Jack, Queen, King are face card. It is your face card. ये क्या आपके पास फेस कार्ड होती है, इन पे क्या होती है, पिक्चर बनी होती है। ये सॉरी सर, इसकी ऑप्शन भी होती ओके। ये क्या आपके पास जैक क्वीन किंग, जैक क्वीन किंग, जैक क्वीन किंग, जैक क्वीन किंग, जैक क्वीन किंग। इट मींस देयर आर 12 cards. 12 cards are face card. 12 cards क्या है, फेस कार्ड्स होते हैं। ओके। नंबर ऑफ जैक इन प्लेइंग कार्ड्स
4.
1 2 3 4. नंबर ऑफ किंग, क्वीन and queen 4. नंबर ऑफ किंग 4.
Sir, 4.
Yes. Number of red king.
Sir, 2.
Number of black king.
2.
Okay, very good students. Now my topic is completed. I will start exercise 5.3 in the next class. Please note down it.
Okay, sir.
Note down it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Can you write down?
Yes. Please complete the coins. Okay. Please complete the coin, dice and playing cards in your homework. Okay. क्लास कैसी लगी आपको?
Interesting and
Okay. Now you can search on Google and try to watch on YouTube, and you will better understand it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
okay, sir.